Hi everyone, you're watching Shortcut to Shortcut. Today we'll take a look at some preview settings in Shortcut. First, we'll start with something called as grids. As you can see on your screen, you have these grids button over here. We can click on that to turn it on. Now, of course, it starts off with maybe 2 by 2 grid, but we can change that to a more granular one as well. So you can go up to 10 pixel grids, which is obviously quite a lot, but you can also go to something more in between, which would be something like a 16 by 16. And now you can see that the area is split in a 16 by 16 grid. Now, if I want to move something around, I can use the grids as a reference point. So if it is something along these lines, I can move this. Now imagine if there were multiple items on my screen right now, I could align them with the help of these grids, and I could size the elements with the help of these grids as well. So I know that I'm always sizing the things in the right aspect. So grids helps a lot, but also it helps in aligning the content. So as you can see, now I know that this content here, is it center aligned? Is it, um, I have four grids to the left and maybe just three grids to the right. So I know that the content is not center aligned. So I can always now zoom the content a little bit so that it sort of aligns exactly in the center of the screen. So for things like that, grids are really helpful. Now, when you play your videos here while editing a video in Shortcut, you can notice that the content is not very clear. And it is not just the size of the preview. The problem is that the preview is actually scaling with by default to 360 pixels. Now, this means that although your video might be a higher resolution video, your preview, what you see in the preview is actually scaled down to 360 pixels. Now to change that, what you can do is you can head into settings, click on preview scaling and click it to either a more higher preview or you click it to none, and then the content in the preview shows up as it was recorded. Now the reason for scaling it down in the preview environment to 360 or maybe 540 pixels, it really depends on your system's capability of rendering the video. So if you do not preview scale it, if you set it to none, your system, your computer might need to process a lot more. But when you scale it down, you might save on some CPU while processing your videos. It really depends on how powerful your system is where you're editing the video. So click it to none, and then now if I play the video, you can see that the preview scaling is in itself a lot more clear, even though it occupies a very small aspect of my screen. So that was a quick video on preview scaling and adding grids to your preview in Shotcut. Do let me know what you thought of this video. Otherwise, like the video, share the video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright, see you in another video then. Bye for now.